How to adjust the timing of any element in a video in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can adjust timing of any element that appears in a video. So in order to start, I have opened this video design in my Canva application, and now let us start by adding a random video to this. So in order to do that, I'm going to click onto this elements tab and add any random video. So for example, let's set this video right here. So as you can see that I have added this random video here. So what I can do is simply right click onto this and choose this option that says set video as background so that it applies to the full screen. So now here we are ready with our video, and now let me add any element into this video. So let me go to the elements tab and add any video. So for example, let's say a subscribe button. So let me quickly search for a subscribe button and then hit the enter button, and here you can see the subscribe button right here. So for example, let me click onto this subscribe button, and here I can adjust its placement. So for example, I have added the subscribe button, but the problem is that it will appear in the entire 10-second video. But for example, let's say I want the subscribe button to be present for only, let's say, 3 seconds. So what I can do is that I need to click onto the subscribe button, and the moment I will click onto the subscribe button, I can see this purple bar at the top of the original video or the background video, and using this bar at the corners I can drag its timing. So as here you can see, as I'm dragging it towards the left hand side, I am decreasing its timing, and the timing is appear right here. So I can drag it to 3 seconds as I want, and once I have found the 3-second time mark, I can release my cursor. And now you can see that this mark will only appear till 3 seconds in the video. So if I play it, you can see that it is appearing, and here you can see that just as the 3-second mark pass away, you can see that the subscribe button has faded. So let me show again, and here you can see that the subscribe button has disappeared on its own. So apart from that, there is also an issue that you might notice is that sometimes if you click this particular element that you want to change the timing of, you can see that there is no purple bar will be present over at the top of the original footage. So how you can fix is that you need to right click over to this and then click onto this option that says show element timing. Once you will click onto this show element timing, you can see that the time will now appear again as default. So you can set it again, and now it will work as intended. So that's all for this video on how to adjust the timing of any element in a video in Canva. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.